Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two AI-powered platforms, which is Firebase Studio and Replit AI. So let's quickly dive into it. Firebase Studio is Google's new AI-powered cloud IDE in 2025, letting you go from a prompt or mockup to a full-stack app with hosting on Firestore built in. It integrates tightly with Google Cloud, and Firebase supports a framework like React, Next.js, and Flutter. It even offers a live preview and emulator for smooth testing. For developers in the Google ecosystem, it's a fast, seamless way to build and deploy apps. Replit, meanwhile, is the one established choice with broad language support, strong live collaboration, and its AI agents that can generate code, run tests, and fix bugs automatically. It's polished, community-driven, and great for teams or solo dev. The trade-off is that Firebase Studio feels fresher but less battle-tested, while Replit is more mature but sometimes limited by compute quotas or AI quack. In conclusion, Firebase Studio shines for Google-first developer, while Replit remains the safer all-round platform in 2025. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit that button and subscribe for more review.